welcome to or welcome back to my channel NestArtfully. Here I talk about everything home decor, DIY, styling and plant care. I'm so excited to take you guys through this video because this is our first glimpse of our Bangalore rented apartment. So we've just come here and it's bringing back a lot of fond memories actually of our Singapore apartment, because this is again a pretty high-rise apartment with this very cute little entryway which almost is like a passage which leads into the living space and the balcony and then the view beyond. So bringing back a lot of fond memories. And the best thing about this apartment and why we chose it is because of the amount of natural light we get, because that's something we find it very hard to compromise on, as it makes a difference to almost anything we do inside the house. So very happy to finally be beginning our journey here and so excited to show you guys around the house. So after entering the house, there's this little entryway passage which now opens up into this L-shaped section, which is of course the living area and the dining area. The living area opens into the balcony and the dining area is attached to the kitchen. So right behind me is also the entrance into the first bedroom, which also happens to be the master bedroom for this home. While this apartment is not as small as the one in Singapore, it definitely feels a little smaller when compared to the Goa home because of the way the floor plan is laid out. But there are a few nice things about the living section here. We have more wall space to do up in terms of decor and styling, and even the dining area has a nice solid wall where I can continue with the gallery setup plan that I had for the Goa home, which I didn't get to complete. I'm standing right next to the balcony, and as you can see, there's so much of natural light filtering through, which makes me incredibly happy. Now this is perfect to keep some plants. It's not a big balcony, it's a very small one in fact. So that's definitely something that we're going to miss about our Goa home, about having that large terrace and a bigger balcony than this. So we had to give away some of our plants to our friends, but this still brings in a lot of natural light and I'm thrilled about it. So right where the entryway ends is a section that opens up, and on the left is where the master bedroom opens up, and here where I'm standing is actually the dining area, with that being the wall for the dining section. And as you can see on my left here, we have the entrance into the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. I'm quite happy with the way the owners have done the modular, because it's in a nice set of colors and it goes really well with the tiles that the builder has given. So very aesthetic looking, and I can think about styling it further. What they've given us is quite a few cabinets above the counter as well as below the counter, so it takes care of storage in a pretty good way. Also there's a little utility section attached to the kitchen where there's space enough for both our dishwasher as well as our washing machine, which is very important for us. And the chimney is yet to come into place, and they're not providing a hob, which is something we do prefer because we've not been happy with the hob in the past couple of homes that we've lived in, and we've decided to get our own stove. So this is how it is right now. So I'm in this small passageway that leads away from the living and dining section, and it's again a little reminiscent of our Singapore apartment, because we had a very similar sort of floor plan there, where the passageway that was longer of course led into the kids bedroom and the master bedroom and had a common bathroom outside. So it's similar. We have a small kids bedroom here, and then we have a guest bedroom at the end and a common bathroom. This is the kids bedroom. It's a small room. It's just about 9 by 10, and thankfully they haven't given us floor to ceiling wardrobes in this room, because it would have made the floor space a little too compromised. They've instead just given an attic sort of storage here, which is good, and we can still place the furniture that we already had purchased for him. Thankfully that's also a bunk bed, so it doesn't take up too much of the floor space, and then we can work with the rest of the room. And this is the guest bedroom. Here they have given us floor to ceiling wardrobes, but it's okay because this is a good sized room. We can easily fit in a queen or even a king sized cot and still have space for our computer table and chair. So this is the most spacious bedroom in the house. And to my left here is the common bathroom for the kids and the guest bedrooms. This is the master bedroom, which opens up right at the start of the house, that is right after the entryway. We have a door that opens into this. Now this is a smaller bedroom than the guest bedroom because it comes with an attached bathroom. We have a small sized window here, but we will still get plenty of light post lunch, and enough space for a queen sized or even a king sized cot, of course, and we have wardrobes from floor to ceiling, so a lot of storage. And that was the empty house tour of our Bangalore apartment. Now we are so excited about making this space our own and our home. So a lot of our furniture and stuff, of course the packers and movers are bringing it all over today. So it's going to slowly take some time to set things up. There's a lot of potential because compared to our Goa home here, a lot of aspects of the house itself is far more accessible. Like we can access the ceiling very easily, and the walls are more normal sized walls. So we can do a lot more, and I'm really excited about taking you guys on that journey. Do stay tuned. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and have a great day.